Here we are in section 3.1, exercises part A, with numbers 1 through 6. Find the volume of a rectangular solid when the width, height, and length are given. Now notice we're just finding the volume, and they give us the formula right here. Volume equals length times width times height. So let's use the formula and find the volume. Volume is going to equal the length times the width times the height. Let's put that in parentheses. Good. So we have 4 times 2.5. We can use our calculator. 4 times 2.5 equals, and times by 3. And we get 30. Now notice we had inches times inches times inches, so this will be inches to the third power, or inches cubed, and that's correct for a volume. Let's double check our answer. Yes, 30 inches cubed. Next one, number 2. Volume equals length times width times height. And 7 times 4 times 2.8, let's plug that in the calculator. 7 times 4 times 2.8 equals 78.4. And this will be feet times feet times feet, so we get feet to the third power. Let's double check that answer. 78.4 feet cubed. Next one, number 3. Volume equals length times width times height. 7.2 times 9 times 3. 7.2 times 9 times 3. 194.4. And this is meters times meters times meters. That's meters cubed, and all the volumes will have a third power on the end there. Check our answer, 194.4 meters cubed. Numbers 4 through 6, it says find the area of a trapezoid. Area when the bases and height are given. So here's the formula right here. Area equals 1/2 height times the big base plus the little base. So the area down here is going to equal 1/2 times the height times the big base plus the little base. So that's 1/2 times 7 times 25. Let's plug that in. 1 divided by 2, that's 1/2, times 7 times 25 equals 87.5. All right, 87.5, and we don't have units given like feet or inches. If it were, it would be in those units squared. But 87.5, let's check that answer. 87.5. Number 5. Area is 1/2 times the height times big B plus little b. So we get 1/2 times 3 times, this is 32 when added together. So we have 1/2 times 3 times 32. We might be able to do this without the calculator. 1/2 times 32 is 16, times 3 is 48. Let me double check that on the calculator. 1/2 times 3 times 32 equals 48. Let's double check that in the back of the book. Yes, 48. And number 6, area equals 1/2 height, which is 10, times big B plus the little b. So we get 1/2 times 10 is 5, times 19 plus 6 is 25. So we get 125 here. Let's double check that. 125 is correct. Good.